What do you do in your pastime? Are you going home to the God who yearns for you? What do you set your mind on during the day? Are you setting your mind on the things above or the things of this world? Do you meditate on the Bible day and night? God breathes life into us. He gives us a drink of His Spirit when we set our mind on Him and get into His presence. In His presence is fullness of joy. That fullness of joy that God gives is for all believers to experience. All believers can get into the presence of God. Think, what would it be like to pray without ceasing, praising Him and meditating on His word always? The Bible says in Psalm 16 verse 11, "You will show me the path of life. In your presence is fullness of joy. At your right hand there are pleasures forevermore." This path of life is found in His presence. Doors open up when we abide in His presence. When you abide in His presence, God gives His angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways. When you make God your home, you enter through a gate and dwell with God. You are seated in heavenly places. Tap into that and commune with God all the days of your life. Dwell in the house of the Lord forever. What do you do in your downtime when nobody's watching? In the secret place? Have you made God your refuge, or are you too busy for God? It is important to spend time with God. Carve out some time, just you and Him. The blessings that come when you spend time with God are beautiful. The Spirit yearns jealously for us. He wants to spend time with you where He reveals mysteries, where He reveals His plans for you. Listen to His voice and He will guide you. Listen to His voice and He will show you the path of life.